Welcome to this video. My name is Lydia. Today we are going to have a productive day, even though it's after 9 a.m. I have such a hard time making sure I have a productive day if I sleep in a little bit. I slept in till 8 a.m. today, and so I just feel I don't know, unmotivated and I'm not going to get very much done. That's not true, so I'm going to film today to kind of help motivate myself to actually be productive. So I just got back from my walk, as you saw, which was so nice, and that gets me moving and gets me feeling productive. I do put my walk on my to-do list to make sure it gets done. Sometimes I even put breakfast on my to-do list because otherwise I don't do it. So let's sit down and figure out the plan for the day. All right, so I'm sitting down with my little planner, figuring out what the plan is for the day, and Bob is coming over here to help me. Thank you, Bob. So we do have young adult group tonight at 7. So I've got that on here, and I'm making muffins for that, and I want them to be fresh and warm still, so I'm gonna do that maybe around the time that I'm cooking dinner as well. So just gonna put that on the list to make sure it gets done. Some of this stuff I just need to put on the list to make sure it gets done and I don't forget about it. For dinner tonight, I am trying a new recipe. I'm making a potato soup. I'm trying to make it in the crock pot, which I haven't done before, but I just need to make sure I get the ingredients for that. So that's going on the list as well. Ow! Don't bite me. This cat, oh my goodness. My husband and I are going to be mentoring this afternoon, so he's gonna pick me up around 11. We are currently sharing a car, so trying to work with that. As far as work, I want to do some major brainstorming to figure out some YouTube video ideas, because now that I'm posting twice a week to try to hit my goals sooner, it's just really hard to come up with that many ideas. So I really need to brainstorm a lot of ideas so I'm not having to figure something out every single week, every single time it's time to make a video. Especially because some videos, they just take more time. They just need to be planned out ahead of time. I'm filming a video, which is this one. So film and edit. Filming and editing always ends up taking pretty much the most time for me. All right, that is all for figuring out my to-do list. I'm going to make a little second breakfast for myself, and I'll show you. Also, just had to give a moment for the Adam Sandler moment here. I love this thing. It's giant, but it's so cozy. She's so happy. How cute, Bobby. She's always so confused when I film. She thinks I'm talking to her, and then she gets confused why I don't want her messing with my camera and stuff. What a sweetie. So I finished making my smoothie, as you saw. It's chocolate, banana, strawberry, and then I put collagen in there, colostrum, which is really good for supporting your immune system and your gut. Put some honey in there to sweeten it up a little bit, cacao powder to make it chocolatey, and almond milk. So yeah, I'm gonna sip on this while I do my Bible reading, and we'll kind of go from there. I also want to clean the shower at some point today, and do a craft at some point today. That's just for fun. It's not productive, but anything can make you feel productive if you give it a spot on the to-do list and check it off. So let's just get into the day. I am currently reading Deuteronomy, right? Yes, Deuteronomy. I'm working my way through the Old Testament and throwing in some like Psalms, New Testament whenever I need a little break from the Old Testament, but I'm really liking it. Bob wants to show you her little trick, okay? Let's try it, Bob. Is it pretty? Here. Good girl. Good girl. So I'm currently working on my brainstorming YouTube video ideas. You can kind of see here, I just have a Word document. I keep track of all of my ideas. I'm trying to come up with a solid plan so I have all of October, like, videos figured out and on a schedule. I'm done brainstorming my video ideas. As you can see here, we've got a full calendar, so I planned all of my videos for the month of October and even into November. I actually have most of my videos. Like I said, I'm doing 2 videos a week, and I just have 4 video ideas left to come up with. And I figured I don't want to plan too far in advance because sometimes I come up with an idea and then I really want to do it. So I'll leave space for that, but I was very excited. I have all my video ideas figured out for the month of October. I will give you a sneak peek of what some of these videos coming up are gonna be. So the first one is this vlog, of course, and then I'm going to have a video of recipe ideas that are very like simple ingredients, but also whole foods, like healthy and also tasty. I'm just a really picky person, and so it's taken me quite some time to come up with ideas that I really like. So I really wanted to share those. That's going to be coming up. I'm going to be teaching you how to understand your basal body temperature, how to take your basal body temperature, 3 things to do before you get pregnant. Another kind of recipe video that is focused on snacks instead of meals. Same thing though, simple, healthy, tasty. Another vlog. A follow-up to my painful period diaries video. Yeah, that's kind of what's coming in October. So if any of those ideas sound interesting to you and you are not already subscribed, then definitely feel free to do that. But yeah, I'm very excited, and planning things out is just so helpful. And then like I've also kind of planned out when I'm gonna film and upload so I can get a little bit ahead and not feel like I'm behind all the time. So that was really nice. And it's almost 11 o'clock, so I need to get ready to go to do some mentoring. We are post-mentoring. It went well, and Brandon's getting dropped off. Only he's doing the driving, but you know.
Brandon's dropping himself off at work.
Yes. And then I get the car for a bit today to run my errands. I'm gonna go get some groceries for dinner, and hopefully dinner turns out well. But it's 12:15. That's our current plan for the day. I am currently feeling so overstimulated right now. I just got done getting groceries. I shop at Aldi. I forgot to bring my bag, so I just had to carry everything in a box. And my wrist hurts. I was like almost dropping things. My water spilled. I had to just put my water cup in with all the groceries, bringing everything in, so I didn't have to bring more than one load in, so I spilled water everywhere. Feeling stressed, but we've got the goods for dinner, so I'm gonna get started on a potato soup crock pot recipe and put the random groceries away. Just to give you guys a sneak peek, I'm filming 2 videos at once, which is kind of confusing, so I'm filming my recipe video right now. But just to give you a sneak peek, this is dinner, a little potato soup moment. So it's turning out well so far. I've made potato soup, I just haven't made it like in a crock pot, so I was a little bit nervous, but it's going really well. But I'm trying to make muffins at the same time. It is currently 3 p.m. I finished up with getting my crock pot meal thrown together. I filmed that for my upcoming video about recipe ideas. So I'm done with dinner preparation. And I think I'm gonna start on the muffins, but I want to take a break from food preparation to actually do some work. So I'm going to sit down now and do some editing. I'm not going to be able to film this because I'm using this memory card, but that's what I'm going to do now, and then I will sit down and make muffins. So it is currently the next day. I kind of just forgot to keep filming. I got really busy because we had young adult group and I was trying to finish up my muffins before then and eat dinner and everything, and it was just crazy. So just to let you know, the muffins did not go well at first. The first batch was really bad because I tried to substitute the regular all-purpose flour with almond flour and it ended terribly. I will insert a picture here so you can see just how terribly it turned out. But the second batch, I'll insert a picture right here. They turned out so much better. Everyone really liked them at group. They are cinnamon muffins. I'll also just put a picture of the recipe in here if you want to make them. I really liked how they turned out. That's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.